What the fuck, man? This is disgusting.
Young boy. Oh no, my money.
Don't even bend over. That is disgusting.
Oh.
Come on, man. That's just. That is.
You.
No, you are on drugs.
Listen to me.
You are on drugs.
No, you.
You are on. Don't touch me, man. You are on drugs. You are on drugs.
You have a great power in you.
That is.
Sorry.
What
I
are you
was
talking about?
I've taken a leak.
That is disgusting.
No, listen to me,
That
sir.
is just.
You have a great power in you.
Comes great responsibility. It's from fucking Spider-Man, man.
How did you know?
Spider-Man. Have you never seen the movie?
What is this? Listen, no, forget about that. Listen to me. Listen to me. The great power you have, you need good. You need great responsibility.
The fuck are you talking about? I do not have any powers.
There's a sign in you.
I am just ordinary.
There is a sign in you. Listen, you don't want it to overcome you. Don't let it, conceal you. Conceal. Don't feel.
Are you coaching Frozen? Is that Frozen?
Yes, oh, kind of. It's a little liquidy, but I mean, it wasn't fully frozen. I mean,
That's weird. That is really, really weird.
listen though. Listen to me. You have a power. You should be
drinking.
happy.
I'm not happy. You spilt it.
It's yours now.
Put it in the rubbish bin.
Listen.
Yeah, this is really weird.
No,
I
you
really
can't
need to
leave
go.
here. You
But
can't leave.
there's like,
You can't leave.
there's a random
Trust
old
me.
guy
No.
that has his pants down
No,
and came
you
towards
can't
me.
leave.
This
You
is
can't leave.
no,
can't
I
leave.
must leave. I think I must leave.
No, you can't leave.
think I must leave. Like seriously.
There's a grave danger upon you. Three, two. Wait, you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Listen!